Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on settings. So then you come to next step here. You click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to reminders and promotions, just click on it. Come to push here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here reminders and promotions notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.